These are standard solutions. Switch on the power. Switch on the instrument. Instrument make Elico. Press enter. Model is SL159. This is UV-visible spectrophotometer. Press enter. And then press enter. Initialization under progress. Please wait some time. Lamps testing under progress. Please wait some time. Place the samples at reference and sample 1. Reference is water. Press 1. 1 is scan. Enter scan limits. 1 510 to 560. Samples 1. Then enter. Again enter. Scanning reference and sample. Please wait some time. Any more samples? There is, press no. Press 1. 1 is view. Increase the wavelength to press this button. We are increasing lambda wavelength. Absorbance also increases. See here. Note down the observance value up to from 510 to till 540. Example, note down the values 10, 510, 515, 520, 525, 530, like that. Note down the observance value. See here, observance values increases up to 525, then observance values decreases. So at 525 is lambda max. Here we kept different concentration of series. Press mode. One is scan. Enter. 2 is multi lambda. 3 is concentration. We required 3. We press 3. Press 1. 1 is standard. Enter the lambda max. Lambda max 525. Enter 525. Then enter. Number of standards 5. Then enter. Select concentration unit. We are calculating molarity. Press 1. Enter standard 1 concentration 0.8. Then enter. 10 to the power of minus 4. Then enter. Enter standard 2 concentration 1.6. Enter. Standard 3 concentration 2.4 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Then 4. Then enter. Select mode of observance input. Press 1. 1 is measure. Number of samples 5. Then enter. Number of covers 6. 1 is reference plus another 5 samples. Total 6. Then enter. Time reading references. Samples at 525. Press enter. Please wait some time. Press 1. Select data option 1. 1 is standards. Note down the values of observance and plot the graph.